Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. Well, in this video, we are just going to be diving into the best breakout indicator for MT4 and MT5. It's a tool that is designed to simplify how you spot real breakout opportunities in the market. Now, let's be honest. Breakouts are one of the most exciting parts of trading. Price builds up in a tight range, volatility contracts, suddenly, boom, the market moves with power, right? But here's the problem. Not every breakout is legit. Many traders get trapped by fakeouts, right? Entering too early or misreading a potential breakout zone. This is exactly why you need a dedicated breakout indicator, one that doesn't just guess, but instead analyzes consolidation zones and identifies high probability breakout points based on volume, volatility, and price action structure. Well, the breakout indicator that we are going to be discussing today is built to work flawlessly on both MT4 and MT5. Okay. And in as much as there are many indicators out there that, could fit into the best breakout indicator by individual traders, because of course, as a trader, you will have your own preferences. Okay. So the indicator I tag as, the best breakout indicator might not be the same as that you will tag as the best breakout indicator. Okay. So basically, we want to discuss built-in indicators. We are excluding custom indicators. All right, we are keeping custom indicators out of it. We want to discuss built-in indicators. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, we are going to be looking at the Bollinger Bands. All right, for the purpose of this video, we're going to be looking at the Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands is quite an interesting indicator. You can use this indicator for trend following strategies. You can use this indicator to confirm breakouts. You can use this indicator to analyze volatility. So this indicator is quite an interesting one. Okay, the indicator is available both on MT4 and MT5. All right. So basically, that is the indicator that we want to look at in this video. Okay. Let me just add it on MT4 as well. All right. So now this indicator, like I said, it helps you to identify a trending market, but our focus in this video is on the breakout, right? So there is something called Bollinger Squeeze, right? Bollinger Squeeze happens when price is consolidating, right? Showing that there is low volatility. You notice price consolidating, like what is happening here right now. Like what is happening here right now. You can see that there is a consolidation happening here right now. And the Bollinger Bands indicator is already showing that there is a consolidation. Okay, let's go to the MT4 as well. Let me just be navigating across. So we can see now that even here on this particular currency, there is a consolidation happening right now. And you can see that the Bollinger Bands is squeezing already. So basically, when there is low volatility, the Bollinger Squeeze tends to is bound to happen. Bollinger Squeeze tends to occur when there is low volatility. Then when volatility increases, you will notice a spike. You will notice the widening of the Bollinger Bands. Like what happened here right now. There was a widening of the Bollinger Band. So what happens is that after a Bollinger Squeeze has begun to happen, just watch out for a breakout. So long as there is a consolidation, there must be a breakout. All right, so take note of that. So anytime you notice that Bollinger Squeeze has begun to happen, just watch out for a breakout. It could be a breakout to the upside, it could be a breakout to the downside, but just make sure that you are watching out for a breakout. You can actually decide to, plot your horizontal support and resistance zones as well, in addition to the Bollinger, upper band and lower band, because the upper band is serving as a dynamic resistance, the lower band is serving as a dynamic support, right? So what you're going to do is you watch out for price fluctuating between the upper band and the lower band. Then when volatility finally increases, there's going to be a breakout. Once you get that breakout, once that spike happens, you will notice that the price will pierce through the Bollinger Bands. You can see, like in this case, the price pierced through the Bollinger Bands, the lower Bollinger Band, because the breakout happened to the downside. You can see here the price, the breakout happened to the downside after a brief consolidation. This consolidation was brief. You can see this was actually a brief consolidation, and it was more of, it was more of a, would I call it, a triangular pattern with a false breakout here, or a symmetrical pattern, symmetrical triangular pattern. All right, or whatever the case may be, whether it was a symmetrical triangle or a descending triangle, the main thing is that we had a breakout. You can see from this lower band, the momentum was already building. From the, the middle band. The bearish momentum was already, you can see how long this candle was. The candle literally covered from the middle band to the lower band. So this was showing that the breakout had already begun to occur. Then it's finalized here. This would have been a good entry point for a sell. Okay, so when you are using the Bollinger Bands to spot breakouts, you have to watch out for the contraction, the Bollinger Squeeze, like I mentioned. When you watch out for the Bollinger Squeeze, just pay attention for when the breakout is about to occur. All right, when the breakout occurs, you can, if you are trading on the lower time frames, then you have to be quick with your decisions, right? Because this is a smaller time frame. Then you can look for a good entry point, enter, and then set your stop loss below the breakout point. Then your take profit can be at the next key level. Resistance for a buy, support for a sell. All right. So basically, that is it. The Bollinger Band is the indicator that we are discussing in this video as one of the best breakout indicators on MT4 and MT5. Okay, so if you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming content on powerful tools and strategy guides. If you want to see this, in a live market, or you want to see more videos like this, drop a comment below. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.